Okay, so we have x plus c times x plus d equals x squared plus px plus 72. And we are told that c is twice the value of d. Find two possible values of p. So there is a lot more to this question than when you first look at it. Let's get rid of that. So we've got a bit more room. Okay. The first thing we need to do, we don't like having two unknowns. We know that c times d is going to equal 72, but that's not terribly helpful to us. So this information must be helpful. So even if you're not sure where to go, then they're telling you that for a reason. So we could replace c with 2d. We then get 2d squared equals 72. We can divide by 2 to get d squared equals 36. And then what we've got to remember here is if we square root, then d could be either plus or minus 6. That's the first stage done. So we now know that d can be plus or minus 6. What we need to do from there is to go back to the original problem, and we can now substitute in values for c and d. So we can say either we've got x plus 12, remember c is twice as much as d, multiplied by x plus 6. So that's the first scenario where both c and d are positive. And if we work out those brackets, we're going to get x squared plus 12x plus 6x plus 72. And joining those two middle terms together, we get 18x. And that is what it's asking here. Find two possible values of p. So there's the first. P is 18. Now we have to go back and think of the second scenario, which is that d is minus 6. And that would give us x minus 12, because c is twice as much, times x minus 6. And in this one, we are going to get x squared and then minus 12x minus 6x. 12 minus 12 times minus 6 is plus 72. Collect those middle terms together, which is going to give us our value for p, and we would have minus 18 plus 72. So the answer is the two possible values of p are plus 18 or minus 18. Okay, I hope that's helpful.